Hello everyone. So in this video, I am going to explain one data SQL data flow project. So for that, first I am going to upload one file, download. Yes. So just wait for few seconds. Give the proper name. SQL data flow project. Okay. Now save and run. Let me show you the project requirement first. Requirement is to create a SQL data flow, select only required column, rename column, change data type of column. This is off. Extract data like month, year from column, calculate total sales price and margin, update region column. Wherever we have a southeast value, that should be updated with s dot east. Wherever we have northeast value, that should be updated with n dot east. So these are the requirements. So let's go to the SQL data flow again. Now data SQL. Just wait for the few seconds till it setting is going on. We can keep the name SQL data flow, input data set, SQL data flow project. Now add transformation. Yeah, so our first requirement is select only required column. So let's pick only required column. See the list of column here. Select, we need date column, so select date column. Need product column, so take the product column. Inventory category not required. Like which one is required and which one is not required, it completely based on our project or requirement. So no need to worry about which one we should select and which one we should not select. It's completely depend upon project requirement. Sales price, sales unit count, reason, state. Okay, so I need this much information only from SQL data flow project. Yes, this, yeah, name is fine, transform data 1. So in this data set I have only required columns. So let's apply. Now go to the next transformation. So this one, transform data 1, I will use as an input. Now let's say the second requirement, rename the column. So let's see whether we can rename or not. Like if it's required, then only we will rename. Select or rename things we can do in input data flow only. I mean the previous data flow, transform data. Here only we can rename this as product name. Cost is fine, sale price is fine, sales unit count is also fine, region is state, everything is fine. I think date rename as transaction date. Now let's run the SQL. Yeah. Now, what is the third one? Change data type of column. So I don't know which whether appropriate data type is applied or not. So let's change. So we can apply that change here also. Even we can use a new transformation and take a transform data one as an input, and then we can apply transformation. But same transformation we can apply in transform data one also. So let's work here only. Cast as it should be float. Okay, 1 minute. And float works in SQL Server. Don't know whether it works in MySQL or not, but we can use decimal also. Yes, it is working in decimal. So we just need to give a proper name as cost price. Let's make in the proper format. Date, product, sales price, sales unit count, reason. So I just want to modify this one also. Cast sale price as decimal, as sale price. Now let's run the SQL. Yes. Now next is extract data like month, year from column. So we have to extract month and year from transaction date. Either we can do here also, or we can use in another transformation. So let's take new one this time. Select star from transform data 1. Now we need to apply some transformation, like we need to extract month from transaction date. Yes. So actually in the preview it does not show all data, so I just want to apply a star after this. Sorry, this will not work. So star it, let's rename this as transaction month. Similarly we need to do for year. Year transaction date as transaction year. So let's run the SQL. Something is wrong. Oh, sorry. I missed a comma. Now it should work fine. Yes. Let's see. Yes, we can see transaction month, transaction year. Okay. So able to extract month and year from the date, transaction date column. Now next is calculate total sales price and margin. So again, let's go here. Calculate total sales price and margin. So how we'll calculate total sales price? Total sales price will be sale price into sale unit count. Sale price into sale unit count as total sale price. Let's see the result. So this is the total sale price. Now next is we have to calculate margin. Margin means total sale price. Margin will be total sale price minus what is the cost. So first let's calculate the total cost price. Cost price into sale unit count as total cost. I missed a comma, that's why it is giving error. Now it's fine. So we can see this is our total sale price, this is total cost. So margin means total sale price minus total cost. We will get the margin. So we can calculate margin here also. Simply we can do this minus this, we will get the margin. But I want to calculate margin in next data flow. We can do in this one also, but I just want to do in the next data flow. So let's apply this and come to the next data flow. Okay, select star from transform data to, let's give the appropriate name, calculate margin. Okay, total sale price minus total sale price minus total cost. Where is the total cost? This one. Yeah, now let's see the result. So this is the margin. So let's give the name as margin. Now we are able to do everything. So we have the margin value. Now next is update region column. South is to S dot east and north is to N dot east. Okay. So final step is to update. So where is the region column? Southeast, right? It should be updated to S dot east. Okay. So now update we will do in the next part. Add transformation. This time we have to use SQL because we are not going to store any data in any intermediate table or data flow. So here we are going to just update the data. So let's use SQL. Give SQL now update transform. No, we have to update intermediate one. Calculate margin, set reason is equal to s dot sorry s dot est, where reason is equal to southeast. Let's run this. So it's executed successfully. It means we have updated the value successfully. So either we can add one more transformation or can see the output, or in the output data set also we can run SQL and see the output, because already we have done all our transformation, like already we have fulfilled our all requirements. So here we can see we have to update two things. So I updated one thing, so second is similar, so I'm not going to re-update the same thing. So here just see, select star from, and let's take the last transformation here, calculated margin. So we will see the updated value now. Reason we can see s dot ist, it's changed to s dot ist. Okay, so let's give a proper name to this output. SQL transformation, SQL transformation. Now we just need to apply this. So before saving, we should do run preview. So if any error is there, we will get a red sign. So let's see. So we need to wait for few seconds. So one by one, it is getting succeed. So all are fine. Means we have everywhere we have a green mark. It means we don't have any error in this entire data flow. Now let's go to the setting and schedule this. So schedule means whenever my input data sets get updated, this new data flow should be update, or it should start. So we have some more things also, like scheduling, that I have explained in my first video. So let's apply now and save and run. So we just need to wait for a few seconds. I think hardly it should take 1 minute, because our data set is very small. Yeah, I think it's almost completed. Yes. Now to see the output, click on dataset, click on output dataset. Now go to the data, we can see the output. So this is the transaction date, which we renamed earlier, it was date, and then cost price, sale unit count. Reason we had updated the name, we can see the updated value, and at the end total sales price which we calculated, total cost which we calculated, and the margin. So this is how I prepared a SQL transformation and also created one data flow. And this data flow I can use as an input to any other transformation, or also I can use this data flow to prepare or build any of the card. So thank you.